Introducing the 2022 Ford EcoSport Titanium, a stylish and reliable SUV packed with amazing features. This vehicle has only 50,000 miles on it and is in a beautiful blue exterior colour. With a 1-litre engine running on petrol and manual transmission, you're sure to enjoy a smooth ride every time. The interior is equipped with luxurious amenities like air conditioning, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and satellite navigation. Safety is a top priority with features like anti-collision system, multiple airbags, and traction control. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit hillsford.co.uk for more information.